Sent. All right, let's check out this link from Kit Beardstone. Oh, yes, I do remember. Well, let's see. How can we best show this off? That's not going to work. Here we go. That's working. The Epistle of Galatians. Wow, that is... How big is this thing? 15.75 by 20 inches on maple, designed to hang with a keyhole hanger on the back. This piece is heavy and will need heavy-duty anchors or a stud for hanging. Here's some other things. Philippians 4:8. Think on these things. Sweet. I would love to be able to... I don't covet cars and houses. What I covet are people's talents. I want to be able to do talents, do all the talents that I see people see, but it requires time and patience. Storybook ends. Once upon a time. It was a dark, stormy night. I've missed the chat. Hold on, please. I did cut some stickers and typography. I think I will get a laser later. Haha! Ha 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 ha! Laser! Can I drop you a link? Yes, you did. And there you go. Got it before I could type it. Excellent work. Ooh, what's this? I like this one. The birth, death, and resurrection of Jesus means that one day everything sad will come untrue. Excellent work. I love it. I would love to be able to work with wood. What's stopping me? I guess nothing's stopping me. Except I have my hands full right now. Not the best time to learn a new talent when you're working on a book. There's a stone in my front yard, and I really want to engrave on the stone, even the rocks will cry out. That verse where Jesus talks about the rocks crying out. Will I get to it? I will probably not get to it. I would have to hire somebody to do it for me. because I don't know how to do it myself. Uh, don't even see the link. Not at that. Oh, let me see. Let me put the link in the chat for you people. Here we go. Here's the link going into the chat. Boom. There we go. I've missed quite a bit of chatting. Might have a commission and ink drawing sometime. Sure, I wouldn't mind that. Yeah, another thing that I would love to be able to do. I would love to be able to burn some of these images into my guitar. I've scraped all the paint off of one of my electric guitars, and I'd love to be able to uh, put some images on the bare wood there. So that's what got me into that's what got me back into art. Is I had a plan to do that, and I got a little sidetracked. Please feel free to check out my book, John playlist. Don't even see the link. There it is, Yoshi. We'll figure a different way. Yoshi's one of your mods. Congratulations. Message evasion techniques. Have you ever made a stamp Kit Beardstone? I think you probably know the answer to that, or should know the answer to that. I want to make a stamp for Emmaus. It would be so cool. If you want some of your work on your electric guitar, hit me up. We can make it happen. Ooh. Mmm. Ah. You don't say. Why didn't I think of that before? Okay. You are talking my language. Have you ever done a guitar before? There are also guitar kits that you can just buy, and they don't have any paint on them already, and you just need to finish them however you however you wish to finish them. Sorry about that ad, people. Back. Welcome back. When last we left, Artsy Bible Nerd, he was in the middle of page 24. My question was, before the ad happened, have you ever done a guitar before? No, I'm not going to be fancy. Don't try something fancy.